AI is getting dangerously good at my job as a software engineer. And to be honest, that is scary. But then it is also shaping what I think I should be learning now. Hi, I'm Hannah Lomenyo. I'm a software engineer from 9 to 5, an entrepreneur from 5 to 9, and I'm building a real estate business from scratch in a country that I didn't grow up in. And I'm taking you along for the journey. So this week, I plan to spend more time analyzing the research I've been doing for review, but work got extremely busy. And as I spent more time working on the tasks that I had for this week, I noticed something really scary. AI has become incredibly good at the things that used to define my job as a software engineer, like writing documentation, explaining complex systems, building features from scratch, pushing the code changes to the repositories, reviewing the code changes, finding production bugs, investigating those production bugs, and even fixing them. A lot of these things that used to take hours or days to do can now happen in just a couple of minutes. And that is absolutely insane. So now the real skill is no longer coding itself, because now if you want to build something, you can just build it with natural language. So anyone can code without necessarily knowing how to code in Python or Java or C++. So instead of trying to compete with AI and writing code faster, I'm trying to invest more time into learning things that AI cannot really do yet, like prompting. AI cannot prompt itself. Well, in some cases it can, but prompt engineering, effective communication, product thinking, system and architectural designs, because you still need to architect those solutions, and AI solutions, most of them run on the cloud. So learning how to effectively architect them so that they can run effectively is also crucial. We need these tools to generate solutions, but we still rely on humans like you and I to define the problems well. So recently I was having a conversation with a friend, and then I told him about how a part of me feels sad for the young people entering tech right now, because they're going to miss the thrill of working on a bug for several hours or days or even weeks, trying to fix something, and then finally it works. That thrill that you get in your body, that, oh my God, I fixed this thing. It was so exciting back then. And now you don't have that anymore because AI can do everything. But then he also said something interesting about how developers who used to code in assembly back then probably felt the same way about us who used to, write code in Python, C, all the programming languages that came up at that time. And those people thought, oh, these people had it easy. But then the next layer of abstraction is here, which is just writing code with plain English, plain natural language. This should make you understand that technology keeps changing, but the real advantage shifts to people who can clearly think and understand the things happening around them and use the tools that are emerging to solve problems, meaningful problems in their society. And to be honest, that realization is also influencing how I'm building products for review, because if AI is influencing how we build software products now, it is definitely going to change how businesses operate too. Anyway, that's been on my mind for this week. I hope it was helpful. But this has been week 9 of my entrepreneur diary. See you next week. Bye-bye.